Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create folder on Google Docs. So let me show you how. It's going to open the Google Chrome and select the grid icon here and select Docs. Or you can find and go to drive.google.com and select new Google Docs. Okay, for example, just going to select the Docs. And you can select the planes to start a new document. Okay, select, or you can select the file you have in your drive. Okay, so we are in Google Docs. So just change the title on the document. Sorry, change the document title to the. So how to make a folder on Google Docs? So you can see the folder icon here on the right uh, from the title. Just tap on it and select the new folder. So make a new folder, create a folder, and you can move the file here. So this is very simple to make a folder on Google Docs. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You can see the folder in the drive. Oh, sorry.